Welcome to Closet Design Academy, your blueprint to closet design success. Join the billion-dollar custom storage industry where demand continues to surge in today's space-conscious world. Our expert curriculum delivers the systems and strategies to position you at the forefront of this lucrative market. Design, organize, profit. Transform your future with the authority in professional closet design education. You're about to discover an extraordinary business opportunity that's hiding in plain sight, right in your own community. An opportunity where creativity meets profit, where passion becomes a thriving business, and where you can build genuine wealth while transforming people's lives. This isn't just another business idea. This is your gateway into a billion-dollar industry that's growing faster than almost any other sector in home improvement. And the best part? You can start with minimal overhead, work from home, and build a six-figure business. What you're about to learn will open your eyes to possibilities you've never considered. You'll discover why smart entrepreneurs are rushing into the custom closet design industry and how you can position yourself for incredible success with the right training and support. Today, you're going to discover why custom closet design isn't just about organization. It's about stepping into a billion-dollar industry that's growing by leaps and bounds, where creativity meets entrepreneurship, and where you can build a thriving business by solving problems that truly matter to people. So pay close attention, because by the end of this course, you'll understand exactly how to tap into this lucrative market and build the business of your dreams. The extraordinary opportunity in your community. Have you ever walked into someone's home and immediately noticed their closet chaos? Maybe clothes hanging everywhere, shoes scattered on the floor, or beautiful garments wrinkled and forgotten in the back corner? What if every single one of those frustrating spaces represents a potential gold mine? Not just for the homeowner who would pay handsomely to transform it, but for you as a professional closet designer. Right now, in neighborhoods across the world, homeowners are desperately seeking solutions to their closet chaos, and they're willing to invest serious money to get it. These aren't small investments. Homeowners are regularly spending $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, even $25,000 or more to transform their closets into organized, beautiful spaces. And the demand is absolutely skyrocketing. Why? Because a well-designed closet isn't just storage. It's peace of mind. It's reclaiming their morning routine. It's finally having a space in their home that feels luxurious and perfectly organized. Here's what most people don't realize. This is a billion-dollar industry that's growing at an unprecedented rate. The custom closet and storage solutions market is expanding faster than traditional home improvement sectors, and there's room for thousands of new professionals. Think about your own community right now. How many homes are within a 10-mile radius of where you live? How many of those homes have closets that could be transformed? The opportunity is literally everywhere you look, and most of it is completely untapped. But here's the real opportunity. While homeowners are hungry for solutions, there simply aren't enough qualified professionals to meet the demand. This supply and demand imbalance creates an incredible window of opportunity for new designers who enter the market with proper training. The timing couldn't be better. Homeowners are prioritizing their living spaces like never before. They want functionality, beauty, and organization. They want spaces that make them feel good every single day, and they're willing to invest significantly to get it. This isn't a trend that's going away. This is a fundamental shift in how people want to live, and it represents one of the most lucrative opportunities available to entrepreneurs today. But here's what makes this business so extraordinary. This isn't just about storage bins and hangers. Professional closet design combines creativity, problem-solving, and entrepreneurship into one incredibly fulfilling career. Imagine spending your days helping families reclaim their mornings. Picture creating spaces that people absolutely love, spaces that make them smile every time they walk in. Envision building a business that generates excellent income while making a real difference in people's daily lives. That's the power of professional closet design. You're not just organizing spaces, you're transforming lives, one closet at a time. And the best part? You don't need years of experience to get started. You don't need a design degree or expensive equipment. What you need is the right training, the proper foundation, and the commitment to excellence that separates professionals from hobbyists. What makes this business so rewarding? Custom closet design combines creativity, problem-solving, and entrepreneurship. You'll create spaces clients love while building a fulfilling business. Let's talk about personal fulfillment. You'll transform spaces while expressing your creativity every single day. Each project becomes a canvas where you can showcase your design vision while solving real problems for real families. This isn't just work, it's artistic expression with purpose. The client impact is extraordinary. You'll help families reclaim their mornings, reduce daily stress, and create beauty in their homes. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your work makes someone's life better every single day. This is meaningful work that creates lasting positive change. Financial success becomes achievable when you build excellent income doing what you love. The profit margins in this industry are exceptional, and unlike many businesses that require massive overhead or inventory, closet design operates on high margins with relatively low costs. The creative satisfaction is unmatched. Every space is different. Every client has unique needs, and every project challenges you to find the perfect solution. If you love problem solving and creating beautiful, functional spaces, this work will energize you every single day. The skills that create success. So what exactly does it take to become a successful custom closet designer? Professional closet designers master a unique combination of skills that might surprise you. It's not just about having good taste or knowing how to organize. It's about understanding the science and psychology behind creating spaces that work perfectly for each individual client. First, there's space optimization. This is where mathematics meets creativity. Professional designers know how to maximize every single square foot, creating storage solutions that seem almost magical to their clients. They understand vertical space, corner utilization, and the precise measurements that make the difference between a good closet and an extraordinary one. Then there's design visualization. Today's successful closet designers use sophisticated software to create stunning three-dimensional renderings that help clients see their dream space before it's built. These aren't just sketches. They're photorealistic representations that make clients say, "I absolutely need this in my home." But technical skills are only part of the equation. The most successful designers understand business systems. They know how to attract premium clients consistently, how to price their services profitably, and how to manage projects from initial consultation to final installation. There's also the art of installation coordination. Professional designers work seamlessly with contractors, manage complex timelines, and ensure that every project is delivered flawlessly. They understand that their reputation depends not just on beautiful designs, but on perfect execution. All of these skills work together to create something remarkable: the ability to transform chaos into beauty, frustration into joy, and ordinary spaces into extraordinary sanctuaries. Now, you might be wondering, can I really learn all of this? The answer is absolutely yes. With proper training and dedication, anyone with a passion for design and organization can master these professional skills. That's where comprehensive education makes all the difference. The most successful closet designers invest in training that covers every aspect of the business, from understanding space planning principles to mastering client consultation techniques. Professional training provides the foundation for building a thriving practice. It gives you the confidence to pursue high-value projects, the skills to deliver exceptional results, and the business knowledge to build something truly successful. Your path to mastery. Here's the truth: you cannot learn these skills through trial and error. Attempting to figure this out on your own will cost you years of time, thousands of dollars in mistakes, and countless lost opportunities. The designers who succeed fastest invest in comprehensive education from the very beginning. They understand that proper training isn't an expense. It's the foundation of their entire business success. Instead of spending years learning through expensive mistakes on your own, you'll gain proven systems, tested strategies, and professional techniques that have been refined over years of real-world application. Your journey to mastery focuses on 3 critical outcomes. You'll learn fundamentals to gain the expertise that commands respect from clients and industry professionals. Master the scientific principles behind effective storage solutions and the art of creating spaces that enhance daily routines. You'll develop technical skills to differentiate yourself in a competitive market. Gain proficiency with advanced design software, precision measurement techniques, and presentation methods that justify premium pricing and accelerate project approval. And you'll build business foundations to ensure long-term sustainability and growth. Establish the systems, processes, and strategic frameworks that transform your passion into a profitable enterprise with predictable revenue streams. The designers earning 6 figures didn't get there by accident. They understood that success in this industry requires more than just good intentions. It requires professional-level knowledge and skills. Why proper training accelerates your success? The advantage of comprehensive training is remarkable, and clients recognize the professionalism and expertise immediately. When you invest in proper education, you're building multiple pillars of success that work together to accelerate your journey. Your knowledge foundation gives you proven design principles and business strategies that have been tested and refined by successful professionals in the industry. You're not guessing or experimenting. You're building on what already works. Through practical application, you'll apply these skills in real-world scenarios with hands-on training that prepares you for actual client projects and business challenges. This means you'll feel confident and capable from day one. This confidence translates directly into client trust as you develop the expertise and presentation skills that inspire confidence and help clients invest in premium solutions. When clients see your professionalism and knowledge, they naturally want to work with you and are willing to invest in the quality you represent. With this foundation of trust and expertise, accelerated growth becomes inevitable because you avoid costly mistakes and fast-track your success by learning from the Closet Design Academy rather than through expensive trial and error. Every lesson from the Academy becomes your advantage. This comprehensive approach means you're not just learning to design closets. You're learning to build a business that clients seek out, trust completely, and happily recommend to others. The return on investment for proper training is extraordinary. The skills and systems you learn will generate revenue for decades. The confidence you gain will help you pursue larger, more profitable projects. The professional credibility you establish will attract premium clients consistently. This is why smart entrepreneurs invest in education before they invest in anything else. They understand that knowledge and skills are the only assets that can never be taken away, and they form the foundation of all future success. Your learning journey awaits. The Closet Design Academy provides everything you need to build a successful custom closet design business. This isn't just a course. It's a complete professional development program designed to take you from beginner to confident professional. The Closet Design Academy helps you master the fundamentals through comprehensive training in space planning, design principles, and the psychology behind creating spaces that clients love. This foundation is essential because understanding how people actually use their spaces is what empowers professional designers to create truly transformative solutions. You'll build your business foundation. This includes establishing proper business structure, developing pricing strategies that ensure profitability, and understanding the legal protections that every professional needs. You'll enhance design skills that make professional designers stand out. You'll master space planning principles, color palette creation, and styling techniques. These skills allow you to create solutions that clients will invest premium prices to obtain. The program also develops your technical excellence. You'll master professional design software and 3-dimensional visualization techniques that create stunning presentations. When clients can see exactly what their space will look like, closing the sale becomes much easier. You'll perfect your sales process too. Closet Design Academy teaches consultation methods that convert prospects into enthusiastic clients. You'll master the art of communicating value effectively, ensuring your creative talents are matched by your ability to connect with clients and showcase the transformative impact of your designs. The goal isn't just to get started. It's to build a business that grows and thrives over time. This comprehensive approach means you don't have to piece together information from multiple sources or learn through expensive trial and error. Everything you need is organized, systematic, and designed specifically for your success in the closet design industry. Professional recognition. The Closet Design Academy Comprehensive Learning Track offers 13 different courses. Upon successful completion of each individual course, you'll earn 1 CEU credit that can be used in professional organizations for continuing education credit, and a completion certificate marking your achievement and dedication to professional development. These certificates represent more than just finished coursework. They demonstrate to clients, vendors, and industry professionals that you've invested in comprehensive training and possess the knowledge needed to deliver professional-level results. Industry growth means you're entering a billion-dollar industry with incredible potential. Many designers build six-figure businesses within their first 2 years, and your professional training positions you for this level of success. Your return on investment is exceptional. Your training investment pays dividends through increased confidence, higher project values, and professional-level service that commands premium pricing from day one. Take the next step toward your new career. The custom closet design industry is ready for you, and your future success depends on the decision you make right now. Everything you need to build a thriving custom closet design business is waiting for you in the Closet Design Academy 13-course comprehensive learning track. This isn't just education. This is your complete transformation from where you are today to building the profitable, fulfilling business you've always dreamed of creating. Here's something remarkable. Each individual course in our academy is valued at $697. If you purchased all 13 courses separately, you'd invest $9,061. But today, you can access the complete comprehensive learning track for just $5,997, saving you an incredible $3,064, nearly 34% off the individual course prices. Your path to success is beautifully simple. First, register today by enrolling in the Closet Design Academy 13-course comprehensive learning track. Then, complete training by mastering the skills to build your business with confidence and expertise. Finally, launch your business and start creating beautiful spaces for clients while building the income and lifestyle you've always wanted. The opportunity is here, the training is proven, the savings are substantial, and your new career is just 3 steps away. Visit closetdesignacademy.com right now and begin your transformation today. Your future in custom closet design starts with this one decision. Don't wait. Visit closetdesignacademy.com and take the first step toward the business and lifestyle you deserve. Check out our full library of professional courses designed to help you increase profits, streamline operations, and delight more clients. Visit closetdesignacademy.com today.